Good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. Today we are going to discuss about human body. We are going to discuss about what is right and what is wrong. So let's start. First question is all of us can sneeze with our open, eyes open. This is wrong method. When we sneeze, it is important to close our eyes and automatically it will close, and after that we should also you know what at least covered our mouth, so this will be wrong. Second, our lung pump blood to all parts of the body. This is also wrong. Third one, our skin become wrinkle if we spend a long time in water. Yes, this is correct. Right means when we know what our skin become wrinkle if we spend a wrong time in water, so it becomes. Fourth one, if we have cardiac problem, our eyes gives us trouble. This will be wrong because cardiac is related to heart, not from our eyes. So this will be wrong. Fifth, a person who smoke damage his or her lungs and heart. This is correct one. This is right. Means he smoke, he or she will damage his or her lung or heart. So this will be right. Sixth one, the femur is the longest bone in the body. This is correct. This is the right one. Means the femur means the thigh bone is the longest bone in the body. This is right. Seventh one, if we get the same time illness again after recovering a little, we call it a relapse. Means if अगर हम एक बार बीमार पड़ गए, अगर दोबारा हम बहुत ज़्यादा समय लग रहा है, इफ़ वी गेट द सेम टाइम इलनेस अगेन आफ्टर रिकवरिंग अ लिटिल, थोड़ा सा रिकवर होने के बाद अगर हम फिर से बीमार पड़ गए तो उसको हम रिलैप्स बोलते हैं. वी कॉल इट रिलैप्स. दिस इज करेक्ट. मीन्स दिस इज राइट. Next, each hand of our hand has many as 27 bones. This is correct. We have 27 bones and more than that. And ninth one, if a person's liver is damaged, a part of another person's liver can be transplanted in his body or her body. This is correct one. This is right. Means we can transplant simply the liver from one body to another body. 10th one, our muscle are special fibers to thick strings that shorten or length to make part of the body move. Means our muscles have special fibers or thick strings. They are shorten and lengthened, यानी कि वो घट बढ़ सकता है as our body moves. So this is right one. 11th, a child's heart beats faster than an adult's. यानी कि एक युवा से ज़्यादा एक चाइल्ड का जो है वो हार्ट तेज़ी से बीट करता है. दिस इज़ करेक्ट. 12th वन, द लेफ्ट हाफ ऑफ द ब्रेन कंट्रोल्स द राइट साइड ऑफ द बॉडी एंड द राइट हाफ ऑफ द ब्रेन कंट्रोल्स द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द बॉडी. दिस इज द करेक्ट वन. You know about cerebrum and cerebrum. So you have already read on the science. So this is right one. Means it control the half side of the body and half side is basically controlled by this mind, brain. 13th one, we have two kidneys but one kidney survive even only of them works well. Means एक किडनी पर हम survive कर सकते हैं. We can survive. So this is the right one. 14th one, in an adult human body there are 45 liters of blood. This is wrong. एक adult body में 45 liters blood नहीं होता है. This is not the correct one. So this will be wrong. Next one, the last one will be when we sleep we grow about 8 millimeter mm. So this is the correct one. Means we grow about 8 mm, means 8 millimeter at night when we sleep. So you can say that we grow. So this is about human body. Rest of all, if you have any doubt regarding this, any any question, then you can ask me in the online Google class. So after this, human body, I am going to discuss about national awards. What are national awards? We have in our country so many different fields. Government as well as the authorities are given awards to the people. So here has some awards which is very important for the you can say exceptional work in their field. Like the first one is it is India's highest civilian award. It is given for exceptional service towards achievements of art, literature, and science, and in recognition of public service of the highest order. This is the highest award which is basically given in our country, and this is called Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is basically the highest civilian award which is गिवन इन एक्सेप्शनल फील्ड. इसका एक फील्ड लिमिट है. आर्ट्स, लिटरेचर और साइंस में कोई व्हाट बहुत अच्छा काम करता है तो हम उसे भारत रत्न सरकार देती है, गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग. सेकेंड वन, it is the second highest civilian award of India, and it is given for exceptional and distinguished service in any field. See, the first one has Bharat Ratna is basically for only art, literature, and science. Keep in mind, but this second award is given in any field. So दिस इज़ बेसिकली पद्म विभूषण एंड इट कैन बी गिवन टू एनीवन. ये किसी को भी दिया जा सकता है, किसी भी फील्ड में दिया जा सकता है. आफ्टर भारत रत्न, पद्म विभूषण इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अवार्ड इन आवर कंट्री एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो गिवन बाई गवर्नमेंट, सरकार देती है. थर्ड वन, इट इज़ द हाइएस्ट अवार्ड इन द मेंबर ऑफ द इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेज हु शोड ग्रेट वैल्यू एंड ब्रेवरी अवार्ड द एनिमी अगेंस्ट द एनिमी. This is the highest award for the soldiers, basically Indian Armed Forces. So this is called Paramveer Chakra. This is given for in the field of only you can say soldiers. Fourth one, it is the second highest military decoration given for exceptional bravery. साहस के लिए, अत्यधिक साहस जो दिखाते हैं उनको ये अवार्ड दिया जाता है, and this is called Mahavir Chakra award. Fifth one, it is the highest award given for outstanding contribution to cinema. This is basically award given in exceptional work in cinema only, and this is called Dada Saheb Phalke award. Sixth one, it is the award for 4 categories in the field of entertainment. It is a award जिसको basically क्या है 4 fields में दिया जाता है, categorized किया गया है, and this is given only in the field of entertainment, which is called Swarna Kamal award. Seventh one, this award is given to a sports person for outstanding performance. This award, especially this award is given only for the field of sports persons, basically like cricketers and hockey players and so on. So this is called Arjuna award. Eighth one, this award is given to the best coach in any sports. See, किसी भी खेल के कोच को ये सम्मान दिया जाता है, and this is called Dronacharya award. As you know that Dronacharya was a guru. So ये गुरु को अवार्ड दिया जाता है. दिस इज बेसिकली डेडिकेटेड टू हिम, दैट पर्सन. एंड नाइन्थ वन इज इट इज़ द कंट्रीज हाइएस्ट लिटरेरी अवार्ड गिवन फॉर क्रिएटिंग राइटिंग इन एनी ऑफ द 18 ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस. यानी कि किसी भी फील्ड में ये लिटरेरी मतलब साहित्य में कोई भी कुछ लिखता है उस फील्ड में ये दिया जाता है, एंड दैट इज़ कॉल्ड जनानीपत अवार्ड, विच इज़ बेसिकली गिवन इन लिटरेरी में इफ़ दे आर राइटिंग इन एनी 18 लैंग्वेजेस, किसी भी 18 जो हमारे मेन लैंग्वेजेस हैं उनमें अगर किसी में लिखते हैं और उनका वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, देन इट इज़ गिवन फॉर देम लिटरेरी अवार्ड. एंड द लास्ट वन इज इट इज़ फॉर आउटस्टैंडिंग वर्क फॉर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इंडियन लैंग्वेज, आउटस्टैंडिंग वर्क इन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस, एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड सरस्वती सम्मान अवार्ड, विच इज़ गिवन फॉर द आउटस्टैंडिंग वर्क ऑफ इंडियन लैंग्वेज. So now I had discussed lesson page number 42 and 43, which is about human body and national award. If you have any doubts, then tomorrow we have classes, or not tomorrow, you can say that Wednesday we have classes on online classes in Google Classroom, and as well as on Saturday also. So you just watch the video, and if you have any doubt, then clarify me on there. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.